This is a 2-bed 2-bath located at 381 Edinburgh Road South. Starting at the entrance, there is a kitchen to the immediate right. The galley kitchen with peninsula includes a stainless steel fridge, sink, over-the-range microwave, dishwasher, laminate countertop, as well as an oven and stove top. There is ample storage space in the white upper and lower cabinetry. To the right of the kitchen is a spacious dining area. Throughout this suite, there is luxury vinyl plank wood flooring and light neutral tone walls. Directly ahead of the entrance, there is an intersection that leads leftwards and straight. Leftwards is a hallway that leads straight. To the immediate left is a closet. To the immediate right of the hallway is the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom features a glass window with a roller shade on the back right wall. On the immediate left, there is a walk-in closet. At the end of the hallway, there is another closet. To the left of the closet is a bathroom. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, tiled shower and bathtub. The vanity features 3 drawers and 1 cupboard below a laminate countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting. Straight ahead of the intersection is the living room. On the back wall, there is a large sliding glass door with a roller shade that leads onto the balcony. Rightwards of the living room is the second bathroom. The bathroom includes a vanity and toilet. The vanity features 4 drawers and 2 cupboards below a laminate countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting. To the left of the second bathroom is the second bedroom. The bedroom features a glass window with a roller shade on the back left wall and a double-door closet on the immediate right.